All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this 2017, this is a 2018 Jeep Cherokee. It is a Trailhawk 4x4 model with 17,000 miles, black with black leather interior, sunroof, alloy wheels. Sunroof? No sunroof, sorry folks. Alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice. 17,000 miles in this vehicle. I just want to let everybody know this is a salvage vehicle. This is going to be a quick video. It's a salvage title vehicle. So obviously it's an as-is vehicle. We have some damage down here. Boom, as you can see. All right. The hood looks pretty good. Your front driver's fender does have a dent here. No paint off, about 2 inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is at 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Does have some curbing right here. 3, 6, about 9 to 10 inches. Tire thread is at 11-30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It's a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Does come with it is a push start system. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the lights here. You got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got backup camera. Boom. You got AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. You get your Onyx and all that stuff. You get your 4x4 action right there. Here's what your instrument cluster looks like. You do have an airbag light on, traction control light on, and windshield washer it needs. And your mileage of 17,550. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Just keeping it moving. See if the fog lights are on. Yes, it should be on. All right, here's your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders and rear AC vents. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty good. The tow hook, that looks pretty awesome. Got your trunk space and what that looks like, pretty big. Spacious. There's a spare tire here with some tools. And then your owner's manual that just tuck away here. Coming around, this quarter looks okay. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does it focus, my camera? Come on. There it is. Rear passenger rim. Looks good. Tire thread is at over 10-30 seconds. We got some dent here. Call it 10 or more. There's one here, one there, and one there. And then there's a kind of a... No, that's it. Here, here, and there. Call it all one. Here's your rear, the other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, the tears, rips. Front door has a dent like this, creased up to here. You can see it from here coming down to here. And then there's a small little ding here, all right, with some paint off. Here's the other side of the rear, your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim looks good, and your tire thread is at 11-30 seconds. Lights are all working. Car is on. It's got the front tow hooks. Looks great. Folks, once again, a 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk Edition 4x4 with only 17,000 miles. Salvage title on this vehicle. It's a pretty freaking car. Unfortunate with the title situation. Thank you and happy bidding.